Welcome to NumCipherFinance channel where you learn mental metrics for smart investing. In today's video, we will use one of the 100 plus techniques from the Investor's Quick Math Guidebook to solve a real world investing problem in seconds without a calculator. Let's dive in. So here's the question. 5 lakh rupees fell by 30% in a crash. So how much is left? So what is the leftover value? Can you get the answer in 5 seconds? Some of you would be able to do this quickly, but I'll just tell you a way to do it without using calculator. So here is the formula that we will use. Loss multiplier for 30% is 0.7. So the thumb rule is gain and multiplier. So, and please delete this section. I'm going to cover this again. We have a reference table which is gain or loss and then multiplier. So if a gain is 20%, then multiplier is 1.2. If a gain is 10%, the multiplier is 1. If the loss is 10%, then the multiplier is 0.9. If the loss is 20%, the multiplier is 0.8. And if it is 30%, the multiplier is 0.7. So we have given this memory table in the book as well. And also the video courses where we talk about this in detail. But for the current example, what we are going to use is, since loss is 30%, we are going to use a multiplier of 0.7. Now what does this translates to? So step 1 is find the multiplier or recall the multiplier. So here in this case it is 0.7. Step 2 is, so on rupees 5 lakhs you multiply with 0.7. So 5 lakhs into 0.7 becomes 3.5 lakhs. So you can use the multiplier. This is one way of doing it. The other way is take 30%. This is a shortcut way, and the traditional way is take 30% of 5 lakhs, that is 1.5 lakhs, and then subtract 1.5 lakhs from 5 lakhs. So that becomes 5 minus 1.5, just 3.5 lakhs. So this is the traditional way. So typically we prefer multiplier table to really quickly do the multiplication things in the best possible way. So the final answer is 3.5 lakh rupees. Common mistakes to avoid are calculating the loss percentage, then forgetting to subtract it from principal. This is applicable in a traditional way. So where once you calculate 1.5 lakhs, you say it is 1.5 lakhs, but then for the final value you need to subtract it. So that is a common mistake people make. And then the takeaway, investors takeaway, use multiplier table for speed. So for a gain, add 1 to the gain value. So means 1.2 for 20% gain. And for a loss, subtract from 1%. So 0.8 for a 20% loss. Hope you like this video. Before you go, if this video helped you think faster about money, I have something that will take it even further. I have written a book, The Investor Quick Math Guide, a pocket book packed with 100 plus mental math shortcuts, specially for investors. No calculator needed, just pure fast thinking. And if you prefer learning on screen, I have got full video course on Udemy and YouTube and other channels, step by step with real examples, covering everything from the rule of 72, CAGR, SIP calculation, and lot more. The goal is simple: stronger math, stronger portfolio, stronger you. All the links for the books and the videos are available in the description below. If you found this useful, hit subscribe button so that you never miss a shortcut again. See you in the next one. Thank you so much.